Hi folks, this is AJ from Clearview Accessories. We do get the occasional inquiry that the mirror is a little bit loose, out of cycle, so we will ask you, generally over the phone, to try recycling your mirror. Now it is done very simply as follows. With the engine running so that you've got full accessories power to the motor in the Powerfold motor, push the mirror all the way forward. It is designed to do that. It is a safety feature. So you push this as far back as it can go. We will say, within a couple of inches of the fender, this is fine. Once it is like that, you press the Powerfold button. That click is the skid plate and the cradle coming back into alignment. We'll ask you to cycle it a few times. This is what we mean. Make it go in and out. Make sure it's rigid, it's firm, it's locked, and you're done.